students develop essential presentation, communication, and thinking skills in a simple, age-appropriate, and visually engaging way. Created by grade1to6.com. The Worksheet Specialists. This resource is widely used by IB schools across the globe and supports inquiry-based and student-centered learning. Blue, white, pastel, cute, presenta. The lesson begins with a bright and welcoming cover slide that immediately captures student interest. The friendly visuals and soft pastel theme create a positive learning environment, helping learners feel comfortable and ready to engage. From the very first slide, students understand that this presentation is not just about reading content, but about learning how to express ideas clearly and confidently, an important part of the IB learner profile. The introduction slide explains what a presentation is and why it matters. At the MYP 1 level, students are encouraged to share ideas, speak logically, and organize thoughts rather than memorize information. This section helps learners connect presentations to real classroom activities such as projects, group discussions, and exhibitions, making learning meaningful and relevant. Moving into the background section, students gain a broader understanding of how presentations are used across subjects like math, English, science, and humanities. This slide supports interdisciplinary learning, which is a key feature of the IB MYP framework. It helps students realize that presentation skills are life skills that can be applied in many academic and real-world situations. The goal slide clearly outlines what students are expected to achieve through this lesson. These goals include organizing ideas, speaking clearly, using visuals effectively, and building confidence. Clear learning objectives make it easier for teachers to guide lessons and for students to understand what success looks like. This structured approach is one reason why grade1to6.com worksheets are trusted by educators worldwide. In the discussion section, students are encouraged to think, talk, and share their ideas. Teachers can pause the presentation to ask questions, promote group discussions, or encourage peer interaction. This slide supports student voice and agency, helping learners become active participants rather than passive listeners. The problem slide highlights common challenges students face during presentations, such as nervousness, lack of structure, or difficulty explaining ideas. By identifying these challenges, the lesson reassures students that mistakes are part of learning and helps them develop a positive mindset toward improvement. The theory section introduces simple and practical guidance on how to structure a presentation, including a clear beginning, middle, and end. The concepts are explained in a student-friendly way without overwhelming learners, making it ideal for grade 6 classrooms. Teachers appreciate this clarity, especially in IB settings where conceptual understanding is more important than rote learning. Next, the analysis slide encourages students to reflect on what they have learned. Learners may analyze examples, identify strengths, or suggest improvements. This reflective practice strengthens IB approaches to learning, ATL, skills such as critical thinking and self-management. The lesson concludes with a conclusion slide that reinforces key ideas and reminds students that good presentations are about clarity, confidence, and communication, not perfection. The final thank you slide provides a positive and encouraging end to the learning experience. Why teachers choose grade1to6.com and BeeOne Books checkmark rated highly on Teachers Pay Teachers, TPT, and Google checkmark used by IB schools globally. Checkmark curriculum aligned, teacher-created resources. Checkmark affordable yearly subscription with unlimited access. Checkmark trusted by parents, teachers, and schools worldwide. Visit www.grade1to6.com to explore premium worksheets and presentations by BeeOne Books, and support confident, capable learners in every classroom.